Hello everyone, welcome to this video of
Make open fitting of curved profiles.
when we measure an object, we are actually comparing it with a known standard of measurement. In this video, we will understand how to measure, mark and cut a workpiece to make open fitting of curved profiles.
Usually, in engineering practice, the preferred unit of length measurement is millimeter. Here are some tools that are used to measure the workpiece. Engineer's steel rule. It is made up of spring steel or stainless steel. These rules are available in the length of 150 millimeters, 300 millimeters, and 600 millimeters. The reading accuracy of steel rule is 0.5 millimeters and 1 by 64 inch. For accurate reading, it is necessary to read vertically to avoid errors arising out of parallax. Vernier caliper. A vernier caliper is a precision measuring instrument. It is used to measure up to an accuracy of 0.02 millimeters. Vernier calipers are available in sizes of 150 millimeters, 200 millimeters, 250 millimeters, 300 millimeters, and 600 millimeters. The selection of the size depends on the measurements to be taken. Vernier calipers are precision instruments and therefore extreme care should be taken while handling them. Never use a vernier caliper for any purpose other than measuring. Vernier calipers should be used only to measure machined or filed surfaces. In layout of the workpiece, it is necessary to scribe lines to indicate the dimensions of the workpiece to be filed or machined. And for marking the cut area, a prick punch is used. Let us now see each of these tools. Scribers. The scriber is a tool used for drawing clear and sharp lines. The point should be ground and honed frequently for maintaining its sharpness. It is made out of high carbon steel about 3 to 5 millimeters. For drawing clear lines on sheet metal, working point is ground at one end to the angle of 10 degrees to 20 degrees. Scriber working point is hardened and tempered. Scribers are available in different types and sizes. Types of scribers: straight scriber, bend scriber, scratch AWL. Scriber points are very sharp and they are to be handled very carefully. Do not put the scriber in your pocket. Place a cork on the point when not in use to prevent accidents. A hacksaw frame is used along with a blade to cut metals of different sections and is specified by the type and maximum length of the blade that can be fixed. Parts of a hacksaw frame: handle, frame, tubular frame with holes for length adjustment, retaining pins, fixed blade holder, adjustable blade holder, wing nut. Parts of a hacksaw blade: back edge, side, center line, pinholes. All hard blade. The full length of the blade between the pins are hardened, and it is used for harder metals such as tool steel, die steel, and HCS. Flexible blade. Only the teeth are hardened. Because of their flexibility, these blades are useful for cutting along curved lines. Flexible blades should be thinner than all hard blades. Filing is a method for removing excess material from the workpiece by using a file which acts as a cutting tool. Files are available in many shapes and sizes. The parts of a file can be seen here. Tip or point, the end opposite to tang. Face or side, the broad part of the file with teeth cut on its surface. Edge, the thin part of the file with a single row of parallel teeth. Heel, the portion of the broad part without teeth. Shoulder, the curved part of the file separating tang from the body. Tang, the narrow and thin part of a file which fits into the handle. Handle, the part fitted to the tang for holding the file. Ferrule, a protective metal ring to prevent cracking of the handle. Let us now see the job sequence to make open fitting of curved profiles. Sequence 1. Check the raw metal size using steel rule. File and finish to overall size of 64 by 57 by 9 mm, maintaining parallelism and perpendicularity. Apply marking media. Mark in part 1 as per job drawing. Punch witness marks as shown. Cut and remove the hatched portion of excess metal in one side and file to the size and shape as shown in the figure. Check the size with vernier caliper. Similarly, cut and remove the hatched portion of excess metal on other side and file to the size and profile as shown. Cut relief grooves by hacksaw. Cut and remove the hatched portion of excess metal on curvature side and file the curved profile to the size and check the curved profile with template and check the sizes with vernier caliper as shown. Sequence 2. Check the raw metal size using steel rule. File and finish to the size of 64 by 51 by 9 mm, maintaining parallelism and perpendicularity. Apply marking media. Mark as per job drawing. Punch witness marks in part 2 as shown. Chain drill holes to remove excess metal. Cut and remove the hatched portion of excess metal and file to the size and shape. Similarly, cut and remove the hatched portion of excess metal on curved profile side with hacksaw and file the profile to the size and shape. Check the curved profile with template and the size with vernier caliper. Match part 1 and 2 in both sides. Finish filing in part 1 and 2 and remove burrs in all the surfaces and corners. Apply a little oil and preserve it for evaluation.
In this video, we have learned the measuring instruments like vernier caliper and steel rule used to measure the dimensions of the workpiece. Marking dimensions with the help of scribers and marking cut sections using dot or prick punch. Uses of hacksaw to cut off the marked section on the workpiece to obtain the curved profile as per requirement. Thank you for watching.